Welcome back. Lots of sunshine has made our way through the day today. Now, temperatures did reach the low to mid 80s for most of us. Average high still near 90, so we are below average, but temperatures are going to be on their way up as we go through the next couple of days. We did make it up to 85 at Scottsbluff, 84 at Torrington, upper 70s your high at Kimball and at Gordon, and low 80s at Sydney and Alliance. Current temperatures look like this, so we've fallen back into the mid-60s. Torrington, Scottsbluff, Bridgeport, and at Harrisburg. Hemingford at 63, Alliance at 60, and 64 right now at Oshkosh. There's your wind. Everybody getting it from the south or southeast, so that's the beginning of the warm air filtering in, and the winds have picked up just a little, 5 to 15 miles per hour in most places. So the satellite loop shows that we continue to have mainly clear skies, just a few passing clouds up and down the I-25 corridor, and that is basically it. High pressure is cresting over us. That's moving off to the east, giving us that strong southerly flow that will warm us up really nicely for your Thursday and Friday as the storms do stay off to our north. This is how far north the jet stream is. So here's a look at that jet stream right now. The dip in the jet stream that gives us cooler air and we'll say stormy weather like we've had the past couple of nights. That's moving into the Midwest and eventually the Northeast. Now, as we get back into that ridge, we will have more sunshine and it will be warming up pretty nicely. Warm air into the Pacific Northwest and still hot air as you make your way further off to our south. Here's a look at the skycast. Now, as we make our way through the overnight, we will continue to have clear to mostly clear skies, maybe some fog tomorrow morning, temperatures into the upper 50s. And then after starting off with lows in the upper 50s, we make it into the upper 80s to near 90. There could be some pop-up thunderstorms, very isolated in nature. Most of us stay dry, and most of us will just have lots of sunshine through the day. And it's going to be another hot one, seasonably hot, we'll say, with highs near 90. And then for Friday, that dry air does cool down pretty quickly. So we're going to start off in the mid-50s, clear skies, lots of sunshine as we make our way through the day. Another day with highs into the mid-80s to near 90 as this high-pressure system works its way up to the east. There's that strong southerly flow. And all the moisture really into the northern plains and the Canadian prairies. We're going to stay in this pattern that does give us high pressure. Maybe a little disturbance comes through on Sunday that could spark off some moisture, but another high is behind that. So we're going to stay in our dry pattern through next week. Here's a look at the jet stream as we make our way through the weekend into next week. There it is, giving us that big warm sector that's going to last until possibly next Wednesday. And by then, we've got a cooler pool of air that we're expecting temperatures to fall a little, and that jet stream getting right back over us. So that the storms will then track over us, so that'll give us more chances for some showers and thunderstorms. Then after that, we'll take a look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. This will go from August 15th to 19th, getting into that third week of August. Now, we showed you yesterday there was a cool pool of air over the Rockies. That's moving off to the north as we finish out the month of August. And we're back into that slightly above average range as we go through week 3 of August. So temperatures actually could still be into the upper 80s, maybe even some lower 90s. That jet stream seems to, as typical, stay off to our north. So a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity into the northern plains. For us, could have a few of those storms getting to our viewing area, but if you make your way further south and east, mainly dry. So typically, we're in our dry weather pattern and our warm late summer weather pattern. Highs near 90 the next 3 days, mostly sunny skies, mid to upper 80s. Over the weekend, don't go higher than a 10% chance of moisture there Sunday and Tuesday, and then low to mid 90s Tuesday and Wednesday, still with a good amount of sunshine. Travis?
Thanks, Justin. The cybercrime in the U.S. is increasing, and a new report by the U.S. Government Accountability Office has found